Hi, I'm Kristen, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's posture is hands to feet pose, Padahastasana. Padahastasana generally comes immediately after half moon in all of our yoga classes. In half moon, you bend your spine first to the right, and then the left, and then the back bend, and we complement that immediately afterwards with Padahastasana, which is a forward bend. Key in Padahastasana is to fold at your hips rather than in your spine. Padahastasana, hands to feet pose, gives compression benefits on the front side of your abdomen, to your digestive system, to your reproductive system, and it also stretches the back side of the body. Your legs stretch, hip stretch, and your spine stretch. Like all of our postures, form is key here. Let's take a look. As you come out of your half moon back bend, pause a moment. Bend your knees and fold forward. Go slow here and fold where your body is meant to fold, at the hips, not at the lower spine. It can help to find a small back bend as you go into your forward fold. Depending on which BB class you're taking, your teacher may or may not offer a little moment to warm up here. If offered, place your hands on the floor and bend one knee, then the other to get movement in your hips and spine. And then it's time to get to business. If you find your back rounded after the warm-up, take a moment to again find the fold at your hips and lengthen your spine, then grab your heels from behind, underneath the heels. Fingers point the same direction as your toes. Elbows behind your legs on your calf muscles. Now, if this grip isn't accessible, no worries. Get the best grip you can and know that with practice and patience, amazing shifts will happen and your body will open. Once you have the best grip for you, pull gently and stretch down. Lift your hips up and try to straighten your legs. Keep connection between your abdomen, chest, and eventually face with your legs throughout. If you cannot initially touch the face, that's okay. Never force the connection and lose the alignment in your spine. It's okay if you can't straighten your legs at first. If you straighten your legs too soon, you lose connection with your upper body and lose length in your spine. Go as deep as you can with the form. Other key points to notice: make sure your body weight is equal over your feet. Tendency is to be back in the heels. So roll forward, shoulders up away from your ears. You sometimes hear a lot about pulling in this posture. Pulling on your heels can help lengthen the spine. However, over time, try to tap more into the muscles in both your abdomen and spine to lengthen your spine down to someday touch your head to your feet. Think positive here. Remember, your body hears everything your mind says. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.